mind is your most powerful asset. What's going on, you guys? Eric back here with Bodos Training Academy. Thank you yet again for tuning into another video of mine. If you haven't already yet, please, you guys, like this video, subscribe to the YouTube channel. It really helps out the algorithm. And let's get started, you guys. When it comes to trading in the stock market or just different aspects of your life, how do I approach my life? How do I approach my day-to-day habits that I have? How do I approach my finances? How do I approach my relationships? Guys, the most important asset is your mind. Believe it or not. If your mind, your brain, right, you tell yourself multiple times throughout the day that I'm going to achieve this, I'm going to do this, this is going to happen, I'm going to believe it. You tell yourself that shit every single day, you are eventually going to succeed, because one way or another, you're not giving up. You're going through the discipline of disciplining your mindset rather than putting all the negativity into your mindset, because so many people live off of negativity. That's how they fuel their day-to-day. Believe it or not, you guys, 99% of people, why do you think when you walk out, right, you hear conversations, maybe in restaurants and streets, dude, 99% of people are talking shit about others. 99% of people, you know, are just out there just miserable because that's their life. That's their habits they've built. Get out of a habit of talking shit. Get out of the environment where you surround yourself around others that are just constantly pushing you down or even pouring all their negativity onto you. Your number one asset is your mindset. And how I'm going to show you in the stock market is going to relevate to your life, which is so crazy because I actually relevate the stock market to my life, the market and how it moves. That's how life is. So I like to use that as an example, and I hope you guys can relate to it. So let's get right into it, you guys. If you follow by these 3 simple tasks, you better bet your ass that you will be 50% better at trading if you follow by these. Now, the first one is going to be discipline. The second one is going to require patience. The third one is going to be action. You incorporate this into your day-to-day trading, you are going to be successful by 50%. And all the other noise is going to be blocked out, and that's how much more you're going to be successful in taking trades. So, first one, let's repeat it. First one's going to require discipline. Second one is going to require patience. Third one is going to be required as taking action. I'm going to put these in the simple terms. So, first off and foremost, you guys, if you haven't yet, make sure you've already liked this video. You subscribe to the YouTube channel to keep up to date with all videos that I post. Hit that notifications bell. And you guys, let's freaking get into it. So, going into the trading day, SPY was a crazy day. Obviously Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, we've had some drawbacks, but you guys, biggest thing, right? Discipline. Wait until a setup is presented. So many traders lack responsibility because they are so eager to trade every single damn day. Every single day, they are so eager to trade. These 2 days were probably the worst days to trade, if not these 2 days, right? Friday, Monday, Tuesday. Monday, Tuesday. Don't trade on those days. Sometimes you need to walk away when you see a choppy ass day. I can tell you just looking at the daily time frame, this is a choppy ass day. Now, we formed a bullish flag on the daily. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday took place in what way? It took place in a way you could have capitalized on your positions. And yet so many traders still lost money. Blows my mind.
One thing I really noticed, you guys, on the daily time frame, W pattern, form, broke out, failed. Boom. Crash. What do we notice again? History repeats itself. W pattern, formation, boom. Now, we're waiting for what? So this is what my approach is going to be going into next week's trading week, considering that the interest rates were raised. Obviously, Jerome Powell on the FOMC meeting, he said he doesn't believe that we are in a recession, but interest rates were raised. So don't know. Inflation is hitting harder than it ever has. So the way I'm going to be approaching the market, like I said, you guys, I can be a temporary bull and a long-term bear for 2 or more reasons. Because remember, the stock market is pure and utter manipulation. I tell you guys this millions of times. Who gives a shit of what the FOMC meeting says? In the moment, yes, give a shit of what they say, but do the opposite. And sometimes listen to the key words. You guys, just because they raised interest rates, it doesn't mean the market is going to crash. They want you to think psychologically it's going to crash. That's where I come in. Point A, stay disciplined. Don't rush a trade. Maybe don't even trade FOMC. Trade the next day. Presents more of an opportunity, right? Patience. When it breaks out of a price action, either towards the downside or upside, take a damn position. That's all you got to do. Capitalize on your amount, right? Third one, take action. Once A and B has been solved, then C is going to follow along into your trading abilities, in your trading plan, okay? So, W formation. Boom, rejected, fell harder. W formation, right? It looks the same, you guys. To me, it looks very similar, if you ask me. Formation, rejected here. Boom, broke out here. Same shit here. If I draw a line up here, guys, this isn't rocket science, okay? This isn't rocket science. It's not rocket science. Remember, we can be temporary bulls and bears to either side. It's not a problem. So we broke out here, rejected here, W formation, formed here, broke out now here, okay? Now where are we headed off to? So just to point this out, for a lot of people that don't know what to do when it comes to trading and why we are going to be making a lot of money in these next couple weeks. So we have a possibility, multiple possibilities actually. If the stock market is in a bear market as we see and speak, one suggestion, just my suggestion, if it does break this all-time of 417, this was the last area of resistance where it consolidated and it completely broke down towards the downside. So that is something you really have to take in consideration, you guys. Is it possible for SPY to break out of 417, fake you out, run to 418 or 419, and then fall? Yes. So this is where you have to take action into your hands and make sure you understand where you're putting your money. Okay? I'm not saying I'm just going to short as soon as it hits 418, 419. I'm not saying that. No. You want to wait for confirmation. Confirmation will tell you overall direction using the CCI indicator. Okay? It'll tell me overall direction. So, my plan going into next week's trading week. Okay? And really quick, I want you guys to see this. Set my fib lines from the top here of Friday's finished trading day to the bounce area at July 26th, which was Tuesday's finished trading day before we saw a significant bounce. So this is where I set my fib lines. This is where I believe are good psychological levels. The main important level we're going to be watching is 408. And this is going to be a very, very key level because it has been a level that has been tested multiple times. We can see here it bounced, then it finally broke through, then rejected here, then it finally broke through again, consolidated between 418, 408, 418, 408, 418, 408. Then it finally broke through. So this is a key level of what was support, resistance, support, resistance. So because of the multiple times it has been the key factor, we're going to watch this area. And because, you guys, on Friday, that was a key area that it bounced at multiple times. If you guys see here, pre-market it broke, or after hours it broke on Thursday, tested here, tested here, tested here, tested here, tested here. We broke finally pre-market, and then boom, it couldn't sustain itself below this area, and it broke through, came back, tested, bounced at 408, and then we went to the moon to 413. Now, the key level is going to be 417, right? But the play I'm going to be watching, you guys, is going to be this 408. So yes, I do believe Monday we're going to open up slightly bearish. If not, pre-market is going to hit this level and bounce at, and I'm going to be watching this level for a bounce for calls to a ride up to 417. So just keep that in mind, you guys. Make sure you keep that in mind. This could be a big move if you know how to capitalize your positions and you know how to strictly play with no emotions. You can make big money in this market, you guys. Understand how to do it. You guys, that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you guys have any questions, feel free to shoot me a message over Discord. Feel free to shoot me a message over Instagram. I do respond quite fast. If my DMs aren't blown up, I try to respond to you guys within 6 to 12 hours. If you guys, like I said, have any questions, like I said, feel free to freaking reach out. Don't be shy. I'm here to help you guys succeed in the stock market, especially to all my members that are watching this. Just reach out to me. You guys need help. You guys need help, managing your emotions and just, playing with confidence. You guys, this is why I'm here. I do this for a living. I want you guys to succeed at this and make this your life dream job. Okay. If you guys have any questions also about capitalizing, like what capital to start with. I know I get this question asked a lot. Eric, what's a good sizable amount to start with trading in the stock market? You guys, it just varies for every person. I've seen people in my group churn $5 into $5,000 in 2 to 3 weeks. I've seen people churn $20,000 into $1 million. And, everybody has a different sizable account they start with. So, don't let that be the, a discouraging factor to why you shouldn't start trading in the stock market. You can trade honestly with any type of amount. Obviously, if you come in with $5, it's going to be very, very near impossible. People just don't get as lucky. I've had one member in whole entire my trading career and 1,400 people that are in my group. One person has done that where he's turned $5 into $5,000. So it's not. Just don't think that's possible for everybody. Minimum, I would say about $200 to $300. You can really, if you have good risk management, you're willing to kind of put some money on the line too of that account, you could really build it for sure. Guys, click the link down below if you are interested in coming in and joining the team. Right now, I'm running a really, really big discount, 30% off on my monthly, semi-annual packages. So take advantage, you guys. That's going to end. I'm going to make it end here on Sunday, midnight. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.